Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to arrange objects on 3D canvas. But before that, you should know about our working area, that is scene. You can call it as plane 2. So this is the three-dimensional working area. We can manipulate object or camera in 3 direction as given here. So this is z-axis, x-axis and y, that is vertical. That's what about 3D canvas. So I'm going to show you how to arrange objects. This can be possible using selection tool. So I can activate this tool just by clicking over this option or just pressing V button on keyboard, that is V is the hotkey for selection tool. So to show that, I have to load some objects on 3D canvas. So I'm placing object. This canvas giving me the reference light blue color square, so I can judge okay, my object is going to place over here, and I'm leaving my mouse button. I'm going to load 3 or 4 items here. One more box, this one I'm going to place here. So I am following the square. So that's it. So we are having multiple objects in 3D canvas. So if we want to use selection tool, simply press V on keyboard and you can see the change in cursor, and that's it. You can see the change pointer and also object having the gizmo. With 3 arrows we can move the object. Using this small square on the axis we can scale the object, and using this circle we can rotate in the direction of x, y and z, and the center point is pivot. So by default the selection tool having a gizmo move, scale and rotation. So I can move object in z axis by holding the z arrow. I can move object on x axis just by holding and dragging the x arrow, and I can move the object vertically and can place on ground. But suppose I feel like it's not on ground properly, then there is an option in action, that is move to ground. Just press it, your object will placed on ground properly. So this what move tool. Using scale we can scale object by holding this square. But right now if suppose I just want to increase the height only, I have to go here and vertical means y. So I have to increase or decrease from here for one direction. If I enable this, and now if I increase any x or y, you can see the value in x, y and z are going to increase proportionally. So this is the constraint property for the scale which we can lock, that is disable, and can enable as per our need. And this center pivot point, using this center pivot point I can place the object anywhere. And this comes with all 3 options: rotation, move and scaling. Even we use these tools separately. So how can we use these tools separately? This selection tool gives 3 more options, that is move, rotate and scale. Right now I want to move the object, so I am going to press E on keyboard and you can see the change in gizmo. So this gizmo giving me option to move only like in Z, X direction. I can move in this direction, in 6 direction, and I can move using this pivot tool. But if I want to rotate this object, now I'm going to press R and change in gizmo. It gives me option only to rotate the object, so I can rotate object. Okay, in in all three directions. And to scale, I'm going to press S, and again the gizmo change its design, so it gives me option to scale only, okay, which is very helpful to place and move, rotate and scale the object on scene as you want. So thank you and see you in next video.